here it is. The best view in the whole city.
Wow, you weren't kidding.
Nope. I mean, it's a beautiful view, but I like this view a lot more.
I like my view too.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Watch the leather!
What did I do?
You clearly dug your nails into my leather seam.
I barely even did anything.
But 1,000
okay,
barely
well, I'm
add
sorry.
up. Okay. How about we try this again?
Where were we?
God, you're so beautiful.
You really think so?
Oh, yeah. I mean, your outfit really complements the interior of this car. I mean, it's so beautiful. You know,
I bet she goes pretty fast.
this thing is a beast, yeah.
Well, I can go pretty fast too.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you can't go from 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds, you know?
Here's to trying.
Oh!
What did I do now?
Your heels! Your heels!
There's nothing
my
there.
God.
I didn't mean to do that.
Is it bad?
Do you want me
Is
to
it
take
bad?
my heels off?
Okay. So, where were we?
We were talking about how fast I can go,
Oh, yeah, but like...
but not as fast as your car.
Yeah, I was about to say. This thing has 367 horsepower. Like, imagine that, like, in a human. I mean, that's why it's called horsepower. It's in horses and cars.
Okay, I get it. She goes fast, but like, are we doing this thing?
We're having a moment, right?
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Just gotta put some lipstick on.
Oh, okay, yeah, for sure. Okay, that's enough of that. That's enough of that.
Made me feel brand new, brighten up my world. You're my kind of girl, we're all the right.
Perfect. So, where were we?
Stop! I look like a freaking package.
A beautiful package
Dumbest
in a
idea
beautiful
ever.
car. Wait, hey, where are you going? What happened? Hey, was it something I said?
Oh my gosh.
Rough day.
Yeah.
Well, don't worry. Me and old Jennifer here are gonna get you there safe and sound, quick as lightning. I just put a new turbo on there. It may look like a Honda, but she drives more like a